Just now say it. Say it.
Okay, guys, it's me, Jonathan. And today we're watching this. It's awesome. Jesus Christ, that was awesome.
Fuck.
Hi. This is hi.
This fucking fuck high. Sorry for saying bad words. Say sorry for cussing. Say sorry for cussing. And if you want to see our puppet videos,
We made a puppet video.
yeah,
We
here's
have a puppet dog. We will be doing.
that his name.
Now.
Yeah, it's called Jeffy the Jeff. If you want to see Mario, just look at our Jeffy video. It's gonna be.
We make a Jeffy. We will be making. Also, we will be when on December we're giving out. Not really giving out anything yet.
We're in after summer, we're gonna be giving out.
If you talk to me, leave a message saying, "Dude, stop watching. Stop."
If you
cussing,
give us,
and I'll talk back to you.
if
Got
you,
it? And ready, set, go. Okay, it's finished.
okay, today, if you come to our house and you will win our bunny.
Yes, we
What
have
bunny?
a bunny for
Sale.
yes. Unless you can
Come to our house.
Unless you can make it to our house.
Yeah,
The only contestant that can make it to our house
yeah.
actually gets money.
If you're drawn, you don't win it. You don't win it.
Okay, if our neighbor sees us and wins, there's a knife. Oh, I love that.
They win a.
And caboose!
And
okay.
if it's our different neighbors, not named Duran, and if it's our different neighbors, they win our plushie. If any kid go win our bunny. Yeah. But
Unless you can make it to our house.
yeah. Well, that's
And
done.